Before, when you came into the library, I don't think students realized it was the library. It was outdated, and walls kind of gave you the impression that you weren't walking into a library. So now when you walk in, you can see this big open space and students know where they are. It had originally built the building in 1986, so it needed updating. So now when you walk in, it's an open and vibrant space, hopefully inviting for our students. So that's when it started with phase one, and they did the demolition and remodeling of the second floor. And then this past year we flipped and we all moved upstairs, and they did demolition and remodel of the first floor. One of my favorite things about this new space is not only that it's open, but it provides a variety of seating and study options for students. So we have study rooms, we have a variety of tables and chairs. And upstairs is the same concept. We have tables and chairs, study rooms, but that's also where our print collection is housed. So all the books will be upstairs. Based on our surveys that we send out every year, they liked the library, they liked coming over here, but they often would say that they needed an update, like needed new furniture, more study room, things like that. So I think, or my hope is that they will really like what we've done with the space. And based on how they're using the second floor already, I think they like it. So I'm excited to see what their reaction is to the first floor. Somebody asks me every day when the first floor is going to open, so we're very ready to open it for students. What I want to see is this place full of students. I would love to walk in one day and see every seat full of students studying and working together, collaborating. If they need quiet study area, they can have that. That's what I would love to see. And I also want to see more activities as far as outreach activities to campus and students happening in this library.